Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art, with me, Ivan Florentino, and for today's video, I finally completed my Skillshare class number 5, where I use my traditional drawing as a base and we draw on top of it using Procreate. And here's my course summary of all of the lessons that we'll be taking in order to complete this art piece, where we are digitally coloring Yoda. And don't forget that I do have a 1-month free Skillshare membership in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. But before we get started, consider hitting the like button, ring the bell to push me into that YouTube algorithm. And let's get to it. So let's briefly go what we're going to be doing in this course. So one of the first steps is I do have a download folder with the original Yoda that I drew, which you can download yourself in order to practice this digital painting. And I also have the reference photo of the Yoda that I used when I originally drew this, and now it's in full color. So we're going to be able to pick our colors using the program Procreate with the easy color picker that it has. I'll teach you how to import the image, remove the unnecessary background that we do not need, so that we can have a clean cutout drawing. I'll show you how to create our base colors and use layers in order to use our foundation, which is our monochrome under drawing, in order to help us speed up the process. We're still gonna make sure we have a realistic drawing, even though this is a fantasy drawing, because most of the work was done with the shadows that I created in our pencil drawing. We'll be using different color layers and also some shadow layers, highlight layers, and build everything together using transparency methods, opacity tools, so that we can bring everything together and have a full color image with half of the work done, because we started off in our traditional drawing. I'll be showing you different methods on how to approach this. So get everything ready and let's begin.